I'm here at Toys R Us in Times Square to catch up with teen sensation Cody Simpson, who's celebrating the release of his new doll, and of course we're going to ask him about those romance rumors with Kylie Jenner. So Cody, you are celebrating the release of your new doll. How cool is that?
It's very surreal. Man, like, especially in Toys R Us too, you know, when Toys R Us and the Wish Factory, like, came up to me, like, we want to make a doll with you. I just thought it was, like, one of the coolest things ever. Like, you really can't say no to that.
And it looks just like you.
It looks just like me. Check it out. It's got shades on and everything. It's like a swagged out little 12-inch thing.
Now, every male doll has to have, like, his female companion. Or it's cool to have a female companion. Who would be your Barbie?
Who would be my Barbie?
Yeah.
All my celebrity crushes are, like, much older than me. Like Jessica Alba and Eva Longoria and stuff. I mean, I don't know if that'd be kind of weird. I'm 14.
I have someone in mind who's a little younger. I know everyone's been asking you this question. Kylie Jenner, is it true? Is it false? Are we jumping to conclusions? What's up with that?
I think many people are jumping to conclusions. You know, Kylie and I, we've hung out a few times, but honestly, like, it's really not, you know, she's a good friend of mine, she's a good friend of my sister's, and, you know, whenever I'm in LA, like, I just love to hang out with people my own age, and obviously with the lifestyle I'm living, I really wouldn't have the time to give a girlfriend, you know,
not
she
looking
deserves,
for a relationship right now.
I mean, I'm very busy, so I don't know how it's going to work out, but I'm not ruling out anything yet. Yeah.
Do you have any Australian traditions that you'd love to bring over here to the US?
Yeah, warm weather.
That'd be nice.
That'd be nice, right?
Yeah, we need some of that for the next few months. Cody, thank you for joining us.
Thank you so much.
Good sport. Thanks.
Thank you.
Good luck. Bye. Oops, there goes the doll.
There goes the doll.